This is a brief tour of where we're at on our Mechatronics project. We've been working on it for a couple semesters now, a couple hours a day, a couple days a week. This is all recycled from Fuji. It's made components from components that were used to build disposable cameras. These little carriages would have carried the disposable camera parts down the assembly line, and then these robots picked and placed the appropriate devices. We have 4 of them mounted in the corners of a giant square, and basically what we're doing is we're using an RFID tag to sort these. Each RFID tag is assigned a color. We have red, blue, and green. These bays will be red, blue, and green. The tag tells that Arduino what color the carriage should be, and then this robot will pick that up and put it in the appropriate bay based on what color the RFID says it is. This Arduino generates a random number between 1 and 3 and then turns on one of these relays, which sends a 24-volt output to this robot controller, giving this robot the ability to randomly pick up one of the 3 colors. So hopefully what we'll wind up with is unsorted carriages will come through, be red, be sorted by that robot. These bays will then be sorted. This robot will randomly pick up one of the bays, one of the carriages, and send it down this conveyor, where this robot picks it up, sends it down that conveyor, that robot picks it up, sends it back down this conveyor where it's resorted. The sort and desort are again going to be powered by Arduino. We have a Siemens 1200 will be doing most of the pneumatics work. We have sensors, proximity sensors, to tell us when the carriage has reached the end of the line, and then we have pneumatic actuators which will position the carriage for the pick and place robot to pick them up. All 4 robots have been calibrated and are ready for a program. All the conveyors are running. We just have to tie everything back to the PLC now. The solenoids have been tied to the PLC, and we've just installed an HMI panel today, and we've got a basic program for our HMI panel. So we've got our home screen, and we've got a test screen where we'll be able to go through and actually, while we're developing the machine, we should be able to fire individual conveyors to test them or to check the belt alignments, and then the solenoid control, we should be able to fire the individual knives as they come up. And then we've got the run screen, so we've got go and stop. And you can get back to home there. And that's where we're at. We should hopefully have some stuff running before too long. And then we'll work on some feedback back to the HMI as far as how many carriages are left in the bay, working with counters and things like that. But that's where we're at. Thanks for watching.